Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Rathi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend the CX Sales application. In Oracle Sales application, offer many different ways to configure, extend, and integrate its services, component, and module. So we have a different tools like Page Composer, Application Composer, and the structure. With the help of these tools, we can configure and extend the application. So we have some capabilities like modify the object in the user interface using the Page Composer, and changes the appearance and the theme of the UI using the Page Composer, and changes the structure and springboard, and modify the navigator. So using the structure tool, we can change the structure of springboard. We can create the interactive guide to help our user to learn about the application, and we can configure the reporting dashboard by adding new reports and changing the layout using the tools. So we take one example so that you can learn, you can understand how the tools are processed, the tools are run. So we take a structure example. So we change the structure of the springboard and modify the navigator. So let's move to the application. So in order to change the structure, we have to create one sandbox. So first we create sandbox by click on this navigator. Scroll down in the configuration part. Let's click on this sandboxes. First we see there is no any option related to sales campaign. So we are going to enable it in the navigator as well as in the springboard. So first we create the sandbox, click on this create sandbox button. Let's enter the name of the sandbox. So I'm going to enter BISP, and let's select tools. So I'm going to select structure. I'm going to select Page Composer as well as Application Composer. Now click on this create and enter. You can see over here the sandbox get created. You can see over the vision active sandbox and the tools like structure, application composer, and the page composer. So using the page composer, you can edit, you can configure the UI of this application, and using the application composer, you can enable the fields in the leads, in the opportunities, and using the structure, you can enable the fields in the springboard and the navigator. So click on this navigator. In the configuration part, click on this structure. So in the structure part, we have to click on this cells. So expand these cells, and you can see over here like a sales campaign, which is not enabled in navigator as well as in the springboard. So I'm going to enable it. Click on this sales campaign. So this is the edit page of this sales campaign. So we are going to enable the navigator option as well as the springboard option. So click on this show navigator option, click on that and select the yes. And you can see over here this springboard option gets enabled. Let's select the yes for the Springboard. Now click on Save and Close. So you can see the navigator option and the Springboard option gets enabled in the sales campaign. Now click on this navigator. Click on sales and see sales campaign fields gets enabled in the navigator. And let's go to the Springboard option. So in the Springboard, you can see over here the sales campaign option gets enabled. So this is how you can extend the Seek Sales application in the Oracle Fusion application. In our upcoming videos, you can see the application compose example. Now, hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.